Encountering Windows filtering platform issues? In the next few seconds, I'll provide a fix to address the Windows filtering platform has blocked a connection error. Stay tuned for a quick solution to ensure seamless network connectivity. Press Windows +S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Defender Firewall in the text field at top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Next, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off from the list of options on the left. Tick the checkboxes for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended, under both Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings, and click on OK at the bottom to save the changes. Press Windows +S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Terminal in the text field at the top, right-click on the relevant search result, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Click on the downward-facing arrow at the top and select Command Prompt from the list of options. Alternatively, you can hit the Ctrl+Shift+2 to launch Command Prompt in a new tab in Windows Terminal. Next, paste the following command and hit Enter to execute it. DISM online/cleanupimage/scan health. Finally, execute the following command: DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Enter WT in the text field, press and hold the Ctrl+Shift keys, and then either click on OK or hit Enter to launch an elevated Windows terminal. Click Yes on the UAC User Account Control prompt. Click on the downward arrow and select Command Prompt from the menu that appears. Next, type-paste the following command and hit Enter to run the SFC Scan SFC/Scano. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Enter services.msc in the text field and either click on OK or hit Enter to launch the Services app. Locate and double-click on the Windows Defender Firewall service. Check if the service status reads Running. If not, click on the Start button under Service Status to run the service. Next, press Windows +S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Terminal in the text field, right-click on the relevant search result that appears, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Next, execute the following command, and then restart the PC. After the computer restarts, paste the following command, and hit Enter. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.